Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your aerial photography business. Suppose as the owner of aerial photography business, I use WhatsApp chatbot to answer common questions about packages, book drone shoots and share pre-shoot instructions. We can automate this process with the help of Pabbly Chatflow WhatsApp chatbot. When users send a message, the chatbot automatically replies. Now if you also want to learn how you can create this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, let me take you to the screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to create WhatsApp chatbot for your aerial photography service business. First of all, let me show you the chatbot that we will create with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So this is our chatbot and we will also see how it responds. First of all, we will go back to our WhatsApp dashboard and simply type, I want photography service. After typing, you will see I am getting a response. Welcome to Skylens Studio, aerial photography that elevates your vision. How can we assist you today? Photography package, book a drone shoot. Now I am clicking photography package. After clicking, you will see I am getting a response. Here's our most popular aerial packages: real estate shoot, event coverage. Now we click on book now button. After clicking book now button, you will see I am getting a response. Awesome, let's get your shoot booked. What's your full name? Now I am entering my name, test user. After typing my name, you will see I am getting a response. Thanks test user. What type of shoot are you looking for? Now I am typing event coverage shoot. After typing event coverage shoot, I am getting another message. Great. When would you like to book? Now I am typing date and location. 25 May 2025. And location Bhopal. After typing date and location, you will see I am getting another response. Booking request received, name test user, shoot type event coverage shoot, date and location, will confirm shortly and send you pre-shoot guidelines. Now simply I am clicking on confirm button and you will see we are getting our last message, pre-shoot checklist. So you will see we are getting responses. Now go back to our Chatflow section. We can also check all the responses in our inbox section, which we have received on WhatsApp. Now if you also want to learn how you can create this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, then follow along on my screen. First of all, we will open our browser and simply type www.pabbly.com. After typing, we have an interface like this. If you have already logged in before, then we will sign in, otherwise we will sign up. Since I have already logged in, so I will sign in. After sign in, we will see 7 products. We have to click on Pabbly Chatflow Access Now button. Now you can create your business account. If you want to know how to create a business account in Pabbly Chatflow with the help of WhatsApp Cloud API, you can easily do so by watching the video provided in the link description. Now if you want to know how you can add WhatsApp number, simply click on add WhatsApp number. Now we have two options: WhatsApp Connect Preferred, Manual Token Connect. With the help of WhatsApp Connect Preferred, we can automatically update our access token. Now we have an option Manual Token Connect. Simply click on it and fill the details over here like Meta Access Token, phone number ID, WhatsApp Business Account ID, and select the folder and simply click on next. After clicking next, you have successfully added your WhatsApp number like this and simply click on accessing button. Now you can see the navigation on the left side. I already explained inbox section. In this section we check the WhatsApp responses. Now we have contact field. In this field we add contacts and create contact list like this. Now we have team queues. Team queue is used to show the list of chart assigned to the team member. Now we have template section. In this section we create our template. Just click on add new template and fill the details over here and simply click on submit. Now we have broadcast section. In this section we use broadcast to share information with the large audience. Just click on add broadcast and fill the details over here like username, number, and simply click on add broadcast. Now we have flows section. With the help of flows we are creating our new chatbot. Simply click on add flow and start creating the chatbot. Now we have an option AI assistant. We use AI assistant in Pabbly Chatflow by integrating AI tools like ChatGPT to understand user message, generate smart replies, and automate dynamic conversation within the chatbot workflow. Now we have an option settings and get help. Now we want to create our chatflow. Simply click on flows, and we want to create our new chatflow. Click on add flow. Now we have an interface like this. First of all, we rename our chatbot, that is WhatsApp chatbot for your aerial photography service business. Now we have two options, message and action. With the help of both of them, we are going to create our WhatsApp chatbot. Now we enter keywords. Hello, Hey, why we use keywords? Keywords we commonly use when user enter a message, the chatbot will be triggered. Now we enter regex. For regex we use the format. These format help us to trigger the chatbot. If the user types anything, then our chatbot will be triggered. Now we haven't choose template option. With the help of template, we can also trigger our chatbot. Now we take text button and write some message on it. Welcome to Skylens Studio, aerial photography that elevates your vision. How can we assist you today? In this box, we also add buttons. Photography package. Book a drone shoot. Now we connect the flow. Now we take another text button and write some message on it. Here are our most popular aerial packages: real estate shoot, event coverage. Now we add media button and simply upload the image which I already downloaded. Also enter the caption and add book now button. Now we take another media box. In this we also upload image and enter the caption, event coverage, also add book now button. And save the flow and simply connect photography package button to this box. Now we take question box and write some message on it. Awesome, let's get your shoot booked. What's your full name? Now we select the contact custom field, full name, also select the format that is text format. Now we connect book a drone shoot button to this question box, also connect book now button to this question box. Now if you also want to learn how you can create this contact custom field, simply click on settings and click on contact custom field. I have already created some contact custom field like full name, address, email, demo, time, order, date and time. Now if you also want to create contact custom field, simply click on add more field and type here I am typing XYZ and simply click on save. After clicking save, you will see we are successfully creating contact custom field. Now we have an option field description. Enter a description. This will help you to identify the purpose. Now go back to our Chatflow section. Now we take another question box and write some message on it. Thanks, full name. What type of shoot are you looking for? And select the contact custom field. Services. Also select the format that is text format. Now connect this question box to this box. Now we take another question box. In this box, we ask a date and location from user. Great. When would you like to book? Now we select the contact custom field, date and location. Also select the format, text format. Now connect this question box to this box. Now we take text button and write some message on it. Booking request received. Name, shoot type, date and location. Will confirm shortly and send you pre-shoot guidelines. Now we also add confirm button and connect the question box to this message box. If user press confirm button, then we will send our last message. Now we take another text button and write message on it and connect the confirm button to this message box and save the flow. So you will see we are successfully creating our WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now it's time to test it. Simply go back to our WhatsApp dashboard. Now I am typing photography service. You will see we are getting a response. We are successfully creating WhatsApp chatbot for aerial photography service business with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any question, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. If you have any pricing related issue, you can visit our website which is given over here. Also, you can try Pabbly Chatflow and start building your own WhatsApp chatbot for free. Thank you.